In the previous video, we discussed about project execution, and that is all about uh, executing the project as per the project plan, which was defined during the planning phase of the project. So, in this stream, we'll try to understand monitoring and controlling of projects. In fact, monitoring and controlling is not a separate phase. It starts from the beginning of the project and till the completion of the project, it continues. And what all things we monitor and control? Basically, we have to look at the schedule, we have to look at the cost, we have to look at the risks, we have to look at the quality, we have to look at the uh, stakeholder engagement levels, uh, maybe customer satisfaction levels. Uh, so the primary techniques. So here the key things or the most common things to be monitored are uh, schedule, progress, cost, consumption, and the overall project progress. So for this, we use a technique called earn value management, or it is also known as EVM technique. Uh, it is very simple. It has three basic building blocks. The first thing is the plan value. When we say plan value, it is also known as the budgeted cost of work scheduled. So you must listen to me very carefully. Plan value is also known as BCWS, and the BCWS stands for budgeted cost of work scheduled till the review date. Uh, in simple terms, it is the sum of the planned value of the work that is supposed to complete it as per the plan till today. So some of the budgets. What is the plan value of work that is supposed to complete till today? That is the plan value. Some of the budgets of the work uh, that is supposed to be completed till today. That is known as plan value, which is also known as budgeted cost. So it is not, it is a budgeted cost of work scheduled till the review date. That is plan value. This we can get from the schedule. So we have the timeline and we have the activity level cost. So from this we get the plan value. And the next parameter is the earned value. So I might have, as of today, I might have planned for maybe 100,000 or 100,000 dollars of work, or let's say, to make it simple, let us say, as till today, we have plan value of the work is 100. Now, as per the plan, I'm supposed to complete work worth 100 as of today. And when I really reviewed the project, we have completed only work worth 90, let us say. So my earn value is 90, plan value is 100. And to complete the work worth 90, how much did I actually spend? Maybe I might have spent, let us say, 80. Uh, so we have three numbers now: plan value, earn value, and the actual cost. So plan value is also known as budgeted cost of work scheduled. Earn value is known as budgeted cost of work performed, and actual cost AC is also known as ACWP, that is the actual cost of work performed. So if you have these three numbers, then it is very easy. My schedule variance is earn value minus plan value. So if earn value and plan value are same, my schedule variance will become zero. If my earn value is more than the plan value, then my schedule variance, I've completed more work than planned. It is a good news. If my schedule variance is negative, schedule wise, we are lagging behind. And similarly, if you take uh, cost, sorry, so here so schedule variance is earn value minus plan value, and cost variance is earn value minus actual cost. If actual cost and the earn value are same, my cost variance will become zero. And so schedule variance, cost variance. Then there is another ratio, schedule performance index, that is earn value divided by uh, plan value. If earn value and plan value are same, my schedule performance index will be 1. That means the work is progressing as per schedule. If my uh, earn value is more than the plan value, my schedule performance index will become more than 1. That means we are completing more work than planned. Similarly, cost performance index, that is earn value by actual cost. If it is 1, that means for the completed work we have completed as per the budget, then my cost variance, cost performance index will be 1. But if I've completed work without consuming the entire budget allocated, then my cost performance index will be more than 1. That means for uh, we are completing more work with lesser cost. Then yeah, so those are the uh, building blocks of earn value management. So monitoring and controlling projects using earn value management is much easier, because all we need to monitor is schedule variance, cost variance, schedule performance index, and cost performance index. If you want to summarize it further, we need to relentlessly focus on schedule performance index and the cost performance index. If SPI is 1 and the CPI is 1, then my project is going as per the schedule and as per the budget. If SPI is greater than 1, then we are going ahead of schedule. SPI lesser than 1, we are lagging behind. Similarly, CPI equal to 1, work is getting completed as per the budget. CPI greater than 1, we are completing work without consuming the budget. And CPI negative, that means for the completed work, we are exceeding the budget. So with this, we get better control on projects. But here the key lesson here is, if you want to accomplish this much visibility into the project, then everything starts with the right scope definition, work breakdown structures, work packages, estimating the work packages, uh, defining the control accounts, then arriving at a time-based budget, and capturing of actuals uh, with accuracy on time. Then if you can do that much, this much, uh, then implementing earn value management is much easier, and your monitoring and controlling will become more effective. But then the foundation for this must be laid during the planning phase itself. There are some more ratios also now. If we have this much, then we can even forecast. When will this project get over going at this rate? And you can forecast the schedule, and we can also forecast the cost. Going at this rate, if we don't take any corrective actions when we complete the projects, how much it is going to cost. So we can do the forecasting also. Then project management becomes very, very robust and effective because we are on a proactive mode. So before problems happen, we understand that. So these are the good news and bad news awaiting us. Then monitoring and controlling becomes much, much easier. And this is the real business case for managing projects or uh, as per the project management body of knowledge. I call it as professional project management. Apart from this, we have to monitor and control the risk, uh, the procurement, uh, the human resource factors, uh, stakeholder engagements, and sometimes in construction projects we have to monitor and control defects in IT projects also. Uh, so then it becomes very robust. Uh, Earn value management, okay, we can use, even with Excel, we can implement, but in very large projects, we need dashboards, almost real time dashboards, and there are specialized monitoring and controlling softwares available because here the key thing is collection of accurate data on time about the progress with accuracy. That is the key challenge. When the number of stakeholders are high and when they're operating from different locations, we need automated systems to implement these things. For small projects, we can implement it manually, but for large projects, it is better to leverage technology to get this information. And another business case for all these things is the future is all about application of artificial intelligence in project management. So if we don't have clean data repositories, we will not be able to leverage AI in the future. So it is worth a good investment to switch from ad hoc project management to standards based project management. Uh, now, see another the last step is formal closure. For closure happens like we had formal initiation, we should have the formal closures as well. And the closure happens at the end of every phase of the project, and it happens at the end of the project. And every closure is followed with a formal handover and takeover. Uh, Now, if it is from scoping team to design, they will hand over the formal scope document, and the design will hand over the formal design documents to the construction team. And once the construction is done, then okay, it gets formally the deliverables gets formally transferred to the subsequent stakeholders, and the final thing is a formal project closure report, which is approved by all the key stakeholders. With this, we have completed the natural flow of a project in using predictive project management. So we started with initiation, followed by planning. Then we elaborated execution, and we also got into monitoring and controlling and closing. So this is the natural flow of a project following predictive project management. And as discussed before, we also have a different style called agile project management and hybrid project management as well. In the next video, I'll be giving you a high level view of agile and hybrid. So thank you very much for watching this stream. Thanks.